Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft crashing, freezing, or not responding on your Windows PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Start menu and type Minecraft. Now choose the version you're using, either Minecraft or Minecraft Java Edition. Right-click the Minecraft app and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Terminate. Click Repair and wait for it to finish. Click Reset, and then click Reset again to confirm. Wait for the process to complete, then try launching Minecraft to see if it works. If the issue is still happening, move on to Solution 2. Open the Start menu and type Graphics Settings. Click to open it. Make sure Optimizations for windowed games is turned on. Click Advanced Graphics Settings and make sure Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is turned on as well. Scroll down and click Add Microsoft Store App. Now scroll through the list and select the Minecraft version you want to add. For example, Minecraft Java Edition. This will add Minecraft to the list below. Click the entry you just added. Under GPU Preference, set it to High Performance. Make sure Optimizations for windowed games is still enabled. Final step, restart your PC. After applying all the changes, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, launch Minecraft again. Your crashing or freezing issues should now be fixed.